Hey guys, it's me, Cooking with Peyton. We're going to be making mug cakes today. Yes, mug cakes. I'll be right back while I get my computer. Okay, I'm back. I got my computer. And yeah. So we will be making mug cakes. Okay. I don't know which mug cake I'm gonna make because there are a lot of them. But we're just gonna see which one is the most easiest and the most fastest. Yeah. Okay, now just type in my password. It took me a little while, but it's okay. Excuse me for doing that. Okay. Nice. Okay. Do you like my background? Comment down below if y'all like my background, because I do. Okay. And to make mug cakes. This is snickerdoodle mug cake, you guys. But see? Looks like I was able to see it accurately. But yeah. Nice. Now I have it as an iPad. Okay, see? Snickerdoodle one. Okay, now I'm just gonna go here to images. Okay, I'm gonna do like a peanut butter one because like we have peanut butter and we don't know what to do with it. So I'd make this chocolate chip one. Whoa. Do you need chocolate chips for it? We do not have none of that stuff that I need for it. So we can make the chocolate chip one. I want to make this snickerdoodle one. Wait, where is it? Oh. Excuse me right quick, you guys. Ah. I go back and do it again. Okay, I'm gonna click on that one thing because I already have typed it in. I was looking to do this video yesterday, but I wasn't able to do it yesterday. So yeah, now we're doing it today. Okay. It's around here somewhere. Okay. Okay, I found it. I found the one that I really wanted to do. It's this one. This looks really good, and I like peanut butter. Like, yeah. So we're gonna be doing this one, and it's gonna take 5 minutes. Whoa, it's my talent. So we need. Okay. That isn't really a lot of stuff. I need a tablespoon of oil, tablespoon of butter, tablespoon of sugar, 1 large egg yolk, or 1 extra teaspoon of milk, and 2 tablespoons of flour. See? Whoa. And I have a 5-star review, so I guess I can make it. But do it cook in the microwave. Microwave like 5 minutes. Okay. I'm gonna go get this stuff. I'll be right back. Or I can bring y'all with me. Here's the kitchen. Y'all won't go any farther than this. Oh. What is this? No, don't go down. Okay. So, all this stuff that we need is dang it. Okay, all this stuff that we need is over here. All of this is over here. First we need oil. You think all of it will work? Will it work? Wait, I'll be right back. I'm not really sure, so I just think I can use this. Or we need, no, this is, no, I can't use that. So, guess we're gonna use olive oil. Oh no. Okay. Now the next thing we need is, oh, you should have checked it. The next thing we need is some butter. Where could the butter possibly be? What about over here? Oh dear. Okay. Over here. Yeah. So the butter right here. I have no entire clue what I'm doing. At least I get paid for this. It's a good thing I do. Gotta. Okay, I had to edit that out. Now we need sugar and. Yeah, we need sugar. I'll get the sugar. Oh my god. Whoa. Okay. I really hate doing this. I'm doing it to make money though. That's worth it. Then we need sugar. This is all the sugar that we have. This is what our sugar look like. Why do our sugar look like this? I don't know. Okay. And it's itchy. No, it would be like that. The next thing we need is one large yolk, which we need an egg. I open it in the refrigerator. I ain't gonna show you the. Oh my god. Okay. Why are the eggs like that? Oh my god. These are large. These are large. Oh my god. I'll take this full. Oh dear. I don't like doing this. Okay. I'm not a professional, but I'm doing it. I'm gonna get it right this time. Okay. So. Okay, do we have all the stuff that we need? Sugar, oil, peanut butter, what else do we need next? Table flour. Do you have flour? Yes, we do. Oh my god. Yeah, this is flour. Oh my. What? Do you have any eggs left though? Only one egg left. And an eggshell as well. We can't use that though. That crunches very nicely. So, One in. We only needed one eggshell. So I have all the things that we need. Okay, let's go back to the table. Now you. Me. This is a lot of stuff. Just saying. Maybe a little dirty, but it's over here. Okay. Over there. Oh, look under the table. You gotta look up here, where all the stuff is. Look there under the table. Okay. Do you see all the stuff? Okay. I don't give up at this point. This thing did not work. I think it is me, because I do not know how to work it. Oh my god. What is wrong with this thing? Okay. Okay. Sorry guys. I'll put you back in the case with Okay. Not working. You're not working. I don't care at this point. Okay, now we're just gonna do it like this. Okay. Okay, we got this. Okay. Why do I don't have the light on? It looks clean. Oh, it's much better. Okay. Alright. Oh my god. Okay. So now I just need to get the mug. Well, mug. This is the only mug that we have. We have more, but I just didn't make this up serving because they're only one to me. So we're gonna do the oil first. We should add the dry ingredients, then the moist ingredients. I'm gonna do the sugar first. Cause I like sugar. Now we're gonna do the oil first. I want it all messed up. I want to do it like. Dang. I'm gonna do this in the sink so I won't spill any of it. Oh my god. Ah! Spilled a lot of it. The good thing I did it where the sink was. It's a 1.5, but I ended up adding 2. Don't judge me. So I did a spoon. I'm just gonna wipe it off. This is a really small. No. Okay. Okay, next. 2. a spoon. Scoops of peanut butter. This peanut butter looks really weird. I ain't gonna show it on camera. Okay. Okay. I would do it. Okay. I'm gonna get a whole nother spoon for this. Okay. Not bad. Okay, I got another spoon. Okay, so two tablespoons of sugar. Oh my god, I'm barely. There's barely any sugar in here. What the world? What in the world? Oh my god. What is this doing in here? Oh my god. There's finally a sugar. That didn't. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. Now I've got that over with. Now have some peanut butter on it. Now we're gonna add our large egg yolk. We can only add the yolk, none of the white. Okay. 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 No, not my yolk. I need you. Nope, nope, okay. Nope, okay. I can't do it. Well, okay. Now I have the yolk. I don't want to fall out, but there's the yolk. I'm going to show you here. One large egg yolk. Oh, that's disgusting. That is fucking disgusting. I'm going to show it to y'all to see how my insides feel when I'm going to eat this. That's really satisfying. Now I'm supposed to add 2 tablespoons of flour. Yes, time to use the flour. Finally. This is it. Oh, okay. Oh my god. Oh, dang. Okay. Oh, I didn't see that coming. Okay. Don't get another bag still. Okay. That was very good. Now, time to mix. Oh dear. Okay. Oh my god. How is it getting together so goodly? I gotta get it. Or that's a raw egg. I ain't actually gonna eat that. Let's see what adds the milk. Look at that. Do not want it. Do not like that. Why are you doing it anyway? Look at this. How? I think I'm supposed to add milk. I'm gonna add some milk because this looks really weird. I mean, I'm gonna go add some milk because this looks really weird. Okay, I got milk. I'm just gonna eyeball it at this point. Okay, that seems like enough. And now I'm gonna mix it. This smells really good. I do kind of wish this thing had a smell thing, you know, like y'all can smell through like the camera. Cause it smell. Okay, now it look a little bit more better. Look at that. Okay, now I'm gonna put it in the microwave for like 5 minutes. And yeah. I'll be right back.